Topic 1: U.S. government shutdown and its economic impact. The U.S. government entered a shutdown at midnight on October 1st, 2025, due to a failure to reach a budget agreement. This shutdown halts many federal government functions, affecting approximately 750,000 federal employees who will either be furloughed or required to work without pay. While shutdowns typically have limited economic impact, concerns are rising this time due to the current economic instability, which could amplify the effects. Key economic data releases from the government may be delayed, complicating the Federal Reserve's interest rate decisions. Notably, the monthly employment report scheduled for Friday is likely to be postponed. This lack of data could create confusion in economic policymaking. If the shutdown persists, a decline in consumer confidence and slower economic growth are anticipated. Each week of the shutdown could reduce quarterly GDP growth by about 0.1%. Additionally, the Trump administration has hinted at the possibility of laying off some federal employees during this period, which could have long-term negative effects on the economy. Financial markets have reacted relatively calmly to the shutdown, with the stock market remaining stable. However, prices for safe haven assets like gold are rising, reflecting concerns over political and economic uncertainty. In conclusion, while the shutdown is likely to have short-term economic effects, its long-term impact on economic growth may be limited. However, prolonged shutdowns could increase economic uncertainty. Topic 2: AI advancements and their implications in various sectors. Peloton and Amazon are enhancing their market competitiveness by introducing new products that utilize artificial intelligence, AI. Peloton has launched a new exercise machine equipped with AI features, providing users with workout feedback through Peloton IQ, aiming to transform from a simple bike company to a brand offering multiple fitness equipment. Meanwhile, Amazon has unveiled new Kindle, Ring, and Echo devices powered by its AI-based personal assistant, Alexa Plus. These devices offer personalized information to users, with Ring featuring AI facial recognition to identify visitors. The advancements in AI technology reflect each company's strategy to provide more personalized experiences to consumers and enhance their competitiveness in the market. Both Peloton and Amazon are working to expand product functionalities and improve user experiences through AI. Topic 3: FTC's lawsuit against Zillow and Redfin. The Federal Trade Commission, FTC, has filed a lawsuit against real estate giants Zillow and Redfin, alleging illegal collusion to suppress competition in the online multifamily rental advertising market. The FTC claims that Zillow paid Redfin $100 million to have Redfin repost Zillow's multifamily rental listings on its site, terminating contracts with existing advertising clients and agreeing not to compete in the multifamily advertising market for up to 9 years. This led to Redfin laying off hundreds of employees, some of whom Zillow selectively rehired. The FTC argues that these actions violate federal antitrust laws, potentially reducing competition in the rental advertising market, leading to higher prices and fewer choices. Zillow and Redfin strongly refute these claims, asserting that the collaboration benefits both tenants and property managers. The FTC is seeking court action to terminate this agreement and restore competition. Topic 4: Job losses in the private sector and labor market challenges. In September, the U.S. private sector lost 32,000 jobs, reflecting heightened economic concerns that have led employers to refrain from expanding their workforce. According to an ADP report, the private labor market has been weakening throughout 2025. Small businesses have been particularly hard hit, with those employing fewer than 50 workers losing 40,000 jobs. Medium-sized companies also lost 20,000 jobs, while large companies with over 500 employees added 33,000 jobs.